stop my steps in the world that I'm living in. I feel it in the air. You can never stop my swing, 'cause I'm anywhere and everywhere. Anywhere. You can never stop my steps in the world that I'm living in. I feel it in the air. You can never stop my swing, 'cause I'm anywhere and everywhere.
Look who's holding court. FB's full force on the rise, and any motion to stop the incline or hold a guy back would not be advised. We put too many years on a grizzly, growing up in stature and size. The movements are maximum boost and ready to overcome when a hurdle arrives.
I hold my head high when I walk, keep my lips stiff when I speak. Never chat breeze when I talk, always step back when it's peak. It's all about knowing the limit, at the same time pushing those bounds. YOLO, we don't go for no quick fix, that's why you still see us around.
Hey, anywhere. You can never stop my steps in the world that I'm living in. I feel it in the air. You can never stop my swing, 'cause I'm anywhere and everywhere. Anywhere and everywhere.
Yeah. With a press and record or fresh off a tour, game face fix as I step to the fore. Blessed I'ma draw another breath from the core. Heads wanna war for the stress I'm mature. We spent a good few years on the grind. Through the bad ones, ease fears from my mind. My stats in the game on a steady incline. Now I can take it anywhere, the future is mine.
Some say the future looks bleak, I choose to view these things different. Never was one to shy from a challenge, always believed that success was imminent. I guess that fuels the desire, the need to win as we travel this far. So I'ma do anything that's required and breathe each breath as if it's my last.
Anywhere. You can never stop my steps in